muttering. Take me to honeymoon. Take me to honeymoon. Mr. Odogwu.
Eh?
Your wife is muttering, take me to honeymoon.
I think you did not hear her right. Maybe she likes honey. So maybe she said I should take her to go and buy honey. I don't think it's honeymoon. It is not possible. I don't think so.
Mr. Odogwu, are you trying to teach me my job?
No.
Or maybe you think I'm
I don't think she's saying I should take her to honeymoon. It's not.
Mr. Odogwu, please. I do not have time to waste.
I'm sorry, Doc.
Listen to your wife. Bend down, listen to your wife. Get close to your wife. Are you scared of your wife? Put your ear close to your wife. She's sick. Listen to her. Get close. Closer, Mr. Odogwu. Closer. I have appointments to attend to. Get close to your wife.
Hey! Otanumalo! Hello! Otanumalo!
Is that what you hear?
No! She's biting me!
Hey!
She's biting me!